In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start an auction on OpenSea. First, open your browser and head to the OpenSea website. Before you do anything else, make sure you're already signed in with the wallet you use on OpenSea. Being signed in ensures your collectibles load correctly and that you can list them without interruptions. On the homepage, move your cursor over the profile icon in the top right corner. A small menu appears. Click Profile to open your personal dashboard. This is where all your owned items live. Next, go to the Items tab. This view shows the NFTs in your wallet that are eligible to be listed. If you have a lot of assets, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the specific item you want to auction. You can also scroll to locate it manually. Double check that you're looking at the correct collection and blockchain to avoid listing the wrong piece. Select your item, then choose List Item. This opens the listing panel where you'll set the details for your auction. Take a second to confirm you're on the right asset page before proceeding. Look for the quantity field. Most NFTs are single edition, but if yours is an editioned item and you hold multiple, choose how many you want included in this auction. Remember, once the auction is live, you can't change the quantity, so set it carefully. Now set your price. Treat this as your starting bid, the minimum amount you're willing to accept. Pick the currency you want to receive and choose a realistic number that encourages bidders to participate while still protecting your floor. If advanced options are available, you may see fields like a reserve price or buyer restrictions. Use them only if they fit your strategy. Set how long the auction will run by clicking the duration control labeled days. Choose a clear end date and time. Many sellers prefer 1 to 7 days to keep momentum high, but pick what works for your schedule. Make sure the end time doesn't land when your audience is asleep or offline. When everything looks good, click Review Listing. Carefully check the item, quantity, starting price, duration, service fees, and creator royalties. If it's your first time listing a collection, your wallet may prompt you to approve it before signing the listing. Depending on the network, an approval or listing action can involve a small fee. Follow the wallet prompts to confirm. That's it, your auction is live. Share the link with your audience, monitor bids from your item page or profile, and be ready to engage as interest grows. Good luck with your sale and happy auctioning on OpenSea.